The slice tool in Figma is a powerful but often underused feature that helps designers export specific portions of their designs. How to use the Slice tool 1. Select the Slice tool. You can activate the Slice tool in 2 ways. Click the Slice icon in the top toolbar. Press the keyboard shortcut S2. Draw a slice area. Click and drag anywhere on the canvas to draw your slice. You'll see a bounding box labelled Slice, with its dimensions shown in the Properties panel. 3. Adjust the slice. After drawing, you can resize or move the slice like any other object. Use the right sidebar to set export formats like PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. You can also rename the slice for better organization in the Export panel. 4. Export the slice Go to the Export section in the right panel. Choose your desired format and resolution. Click Export, Slice Name, to download the image.